Was shaken by India's COVID-19 situation, Modi government focused on imaginary brand building, said Rahul Gandhi. As India logged a world record of over 4 lakh coronavirus infection on this Saturday, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said the entire world is shaken by what is happening here and accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of dropping the ball and throwing it to the states after prematurely taking credit of having won against. When the second wave was already underway, rely on yourself is the motto. No one will come to help you, definitely not the Prime Minister, said Rahul Gandhi, while alleging that the COVID-19 situation has gone completely out of control for the Modi government and wondered whether it was their way of making the states and the citizens truly Atmanirbhar. They continuously ignored rising cases and were busy instead with the election campaigns. They encouraged super spreader events. They even bragged about them. Our Prime Minister and Home Minister were not even wearing masks in public over the past few months. What sort of message is that sending to citizens? Said Gandhi. He was referring to election rallies that were recently held for the 5 assemblies for West Bengal, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Leaders of all major parties including BJP and Congress participated in rallies but decided to curtail the size of the meetings and even cancelled some towards the end of the campaign for West Bengal when cases began rising more sharply. Gandhi was among the first to cancel his rallies and had also urged other political leaders to do so, noted that the second COVID-19 wave is a tsunami that has brought absolutely devastation and has destroyed everything in its way. The former Congress chief termed the story of vaccine pricing in the country as one of discount sales and a complete eyewash, alleging that the vaccine makers first marked up the prices and then reduced that while making a show of the entire exercise. Asked who is responsible for the current situation, Gandhi said, the Prime Minister is at fault. He runs a highly centralized and personalized government machinery, is slowly and subsistently devoted to building his own brand, is utterly focused on imaginary rather than the substance. Gandhi alleged that the government declared victory against the virus too soon, and that is why absolute insanity and demonstrated a complete misunderstanding of the nature of what this virus was. The only way to fight corona is with humility and by realizing that you are faced with a relentless opponent who can adapt and is very resilient, he said, noting that the Prime Minister had an entire year to better prepare to protect India and to think through the crisis but did nothing. The Modi government was both grossly negligent and blindly overconfident, the BJP announced at the end of the pandemic and congratulated the Prime Minister for his success, even as the second wave was just beginning. The Prime Minister himself is on record as having said that India had successfully fought the pandemic and won. In reality, there was no coherent strategy, he said. Gandhi alleged that this is a government that wants to control everything. When cases went down, they declared victory and the Prime Minister took all the credit as he always does. Now that is the situation terrible. Why are you blaming the states? He said Congress is willing to support the government in the crisis. But the problem arises when the government does not believe in consultation, in carrying everyone along in tapping expertise it lacks. This government seems to think that acknowledging help is needed is a sign of a weakness. The hubris and the pittiness of the government is unbelievable. He said, Corona is just a part of the problem. The real problem is that India now does not have the capacity to respond to any major crisis because of what has been done to its system over the last 6 years, he said.